If we could rewind 2 months and start this YouTube channel all over again, we wouldn't do it the same way. In fact, there are a few big mistakes I'd fix right from day one. When we launched Digital Delegator, it was exciting but also chaotic. We was juggling real estate, while trying to grow a faceless channel with AI tools and my VA Grace. And looking back now, we can see the blind spots that slowed us down. The first thing we'd do differently is set up systems earlier. At the start, we were just creating and uploading without a clear workflow. But once we documented every step from script to voiceover, to video edit, to thumbnail, to upload, everything became faster and way less stressful. If we could restart, we'd build the workflow first, then make the content. The second change? We'd take thumbnails seriously from day one. Early on, our thumbnails looked almost identical black backgrounds, gold text, same layout, and that crushed our click-through rate. Now, we experiment with bold text, new layouts, and icons that grab attention. If you're starting out, remember, SEO gets you impressions, but thumbnails get the click. The third thing I do differently is stop trying to make every video perfect. At first, we spent too much time tweaking, second-guessing scripts, re-editing tiny details. But YouTube rewards consistency, not perfection. Once we focused on uploading regularly, even if things weren't flawless, our analytics started climbing. Another thing we'd change is starting with one clear series. For us, that became the Wednesday VA series, where Grace shares behind the scenes of how a virtual assistant really runs a channel. That series gave us identity, consistency, and a reason for viewers to come back. If we could restart, I'd pick one strong series and build around it instead of trying too many ideas at once. So here's the truth: we wouldn't erase the mistakes we made, because those mistakes taught us what actually works. But if you're just starting out, you can shortcut the process by learning from ours. Set up systems, focus on thumbnails, forget perfection, and anchor your channel with one strong series. If this helped, drop a like. It helps more people learn how to delegate and grow. Comment below and tell me, if you had to restart your channel today, what's the first thing you'd do differently? And don't miss my video. From 79 to 257 subscribers, the real analytics of our faceless channel. It'll save you from the headaches we ran into early on. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.